कोविता मैडम का देखा शायद ने फाइकस में।
Oh, okay.
हाँ वैसा निकालेंगे।
So for mushroom identification, generally, if anybody is taking photos, you have to overturn it and take the gills and the attachment part. Only then you can get a good identification. So if you see, you take the top photo, then you pull it out, turn it over, and then take. See, now you can take this one. Oh, beautiful bracket fungi.
Mushroom can touch, it is not
No, you don't eat it. That's all. There, recently, I think one young mycologist he passed away because he just. So this thing which you're seeing here is a slug caterpillar pupa, cocoon. The moth has emerged. So the slug caterpillars are a little bit dangerous because they have glandular hairs and they cause itching. Can you see? So the male on the top and then the female is laying eggs. No, here you can see near the palms, you can see a mating pair of damselflies. They're behind.
Oh yeah, I see it. I see it.
See there. They are flying together.
Yeah, it's
This is
kind
called
of
tandem flight. So the male and the female will be attached, and actually the male is taking care that the female lays the eggs.
रेगुलर मास्टर
See, it's there, no?
ऑटोमेटिक आ जाएगा
Pseudogreon.
डायरेक्ट आप डाल दीजिए टॉप ऑफ यहाँ पे और
There's a mate. Evening round. So the wing pattern will have an yellow cloud in one and it will not have in another. So that is a black mask trotter. See, can you see? Oh. It will look just like a leopard, lot of spots. Yellow butterfly. Here, see, you're right here.
Oh, all the way over there.
Yellow. See, you can see them coming here out. They spin their web across the trees, actually.
You can see the spider or you can
Yeah, we can see.
Oh, if you take it separately, it is a very
Two,
cute
three.
spider. It's got a nice triangle here on the head.
It's the same color.
Chitrana, it's a thorn tree. Look out.
Scratch करे
So, what is this nectar? Chitraman? This is a nectar?
No, see, those are its prey.
Food.
They are
Bugs.
all fed the pond.
Watch out, watch out.
Green in color. Yeah, in nature, generally, males are very attractive to attract the females. Females are dull colored because they don't want to get caught. Immigrant है. Immigrant. Yeah. So common immigrant is called Bahurupi because it has got different color moths.
when it is open that's
I don't want to see.
Oh, it is open there. That is the one. Yeah. Hallucinating properties. Okay. And non-edible mushrooms. Some. So slowly they will be feeding the other ants. It's true. We have all sorts of things in nature, especially the insect world. It is like. So this is your hemidesmus plant. The Sarsaparilla, Nannari. They make sherbet out of it.
नन्नारी drink I guess.
Yeah. Whereas day-flying moths, which are colorful, come out in the day. So they will regurgitate it. Example is plain tiger butterfly. Have you seen the plain tiger butterfly? So they feed on Calotropis. So they accumulate the toxins. So they are not good for eating for the other predator birds. Okay, but there is a group of butterflies which will mimic the plain tiger. Why? Because they are not having the toxin, but they look like they are having the toxin. So yeah. Said no, lysinids are called as blues and coppers. So the inside will always have blue color or copper color. So that's why it's called as blues and coppers. The thing with butterflies is, if it's flying fast, it may not be toxic, but it's trying to use speed to escape. For example, if you see common jay, tailed jay, it will fly very fast. Whereas common rose and crimson rose, they'll fly very slowly because they have toxin. Yeah. They'll fly very slow. They know they will not be picked by the predators. Whereas those which are, good
Roses are not big butterflies.
roses feed on Aristolochia family. They accumulate toxins. It's got toxins. So they accumulate, the larvae also accumulate, the adults also accumulate those toxins. And twister, male, can you see the cloud? Cloud-like marking on the wings. Yeah. So the female, this is male, female will be brown in color. Smell. So as long as it is conducive, weather is conducive, they'll keep multiplying. Then the population will go down. Then we'll have a very minimal population which will go through the season.
And when again the season?
When the season comes, it will multiply again. So that is how it goes.
Super.
Yeah, they manage to live.
Do these migrate?
Yeah, so immigrants,
Monarch butterfly.
crows, zebra, these blue tigers, all of them migrate, but not very far. They go from Eastern Ghats to Western Ghats, small distance. So in one season, you might see large group of butterflies flying. There is a report network for that. If you spot it, you will have to report it. Actually,
It's not the same generation.
no, this is for dragonfly you're talking. That is called transgenerational migration. Like for example, the wandering glider you see, everywhere you see the brown ones. So that is the longest migrating insect in the world. So what it does from India, it travels to Africa, multiplies, catches 2-3 generations, and one generation catches the wind and so in 4 it will reach Africa.
With wind.
Yes, it will catch the wind. And very interesting, the Amur falcons catch the same path and they will be using these dragonflies as their food. They will also go from China, India, they'll go up to Africa and they are back. So,
they
so
will
nature
have a
has its
travel
own
and-
way. It's evolved over years actually,
Business
this
class,
path.
eating we have.
See, for birds, when they need to migrate, they feed a lot, they accumulate fat, and they use their fat for traveling. But for insects, it can't happen. They can't have that much of fat, so they catch wind. Mostly, it is passive flying. It is called as passive flying. Yeah. So they just catch the wind and glide. Very interesting, actually. It is. I have given a talk on dragonfly migration also. It's there on. I think it is there. Hibernate. So they go and then they will stay. They become quiescent sort of. They are not active. Then when conditions are good, they will come back again. So these butterflies, like what you said, they may live for a longer time because they are gone into a pause in their living.
Oh, hibernate.
Yeah.
Like a bee.
Yeah. ఇట్లాంటి టేస్ట్ రాదు కదా.
Oh yeah.
See, it's looking at you.
There's a baby praying mantis, but the adults will bite some. The adults won't
Praying
bite.
mantis.
The adults will bite.
Praying mantis, huge one. Here, come here. Here.
It
Oh,
is
yeah, yeah.
perfect.
Kiridula, yeah. Yeah.
So,
So you tell me, praying mantis, what does it do? It's a predator, right?
camouflage. When it comes to hide from the bear.
Okay. So that is one. Two, they are also eaten by birds. So they have to hide from their predators and they have to hide from their prey.
That's what I was
Exactly. So there are two things which they are doing. Once ledu in their lifetime, even 100 to 200, they'll keep single eggs. Some of them lay like, for example, your tawny coaster, they lay it in batches. But most of the butterflies, they lay single. So they'll spread out their eggs so that the caterpillar can feed and eat. See, if they lay 100, other natural mortality, predation, all combined, maybe 10% will survive. That is why they are laying so high. Insects, and that is why insects are successful because they have high multiplication rate. Yeah.
That's one only. Look at this color.
Yeah.
It's really bright color.
So any insect, They are very beautiful actually. But it's a ground spider. And then it tunnel web spiders. It's called tunnel web spiders. Not burrowing, tunnel web. हाँ वो होल है ना. हाँ इसमें भी होल है. It has spread it actually. Younger ones will have like this. As they get bigger, the hole gets big ones.
शिकरा
वो एरेबिडे का एक moth है.
all of the same ones
Yesterday only I put this on the. See. Green marsh hawk is feeding on the wandering glider. Yeah, that is a predator. Top level predator in insect kingdom. हमारे पास.
तो देखा
हाँ.
एक ग्रीन मार्शॉक
हाँ.
दूसरा ग्रीन मार्शॉक था.
हाँ वो cannibalism.
That is
So
there.
when they eat their own species, yes, cannibalism is there, but it is a little rare.
One species को
Theophaby or something.
Can you solve this question? Yeah, just hold something.
Very smooth and take photo.
So this is not a stick insect. This is a mantis. You look at its raptorial legs.
ऐसे ही पकड़ो ऊपर पकड़ो.
Okay, it's a mantis, praying mantis. If you see the front two legs, they are modified for catching other insects. So it can be prey or prey, Pray or Prey. Praying means it is catching something. Praying means because it is holding like it's praying. That's why it's called praying mantis. Legs will become like this. It looks like a lobster. Mimics a broken twig. Just look at it. No, it looks like a twig. No.
Nice.
We saw many butterflies and moths. We saw a blue pansy, a water common crow, and many more. Overall, it was a very fun experience, and I would love to come again for a moth walk here. Bye. Hi everybody, today we went to Mrugavani National Park. We were like more than 30 members. The walk was very fun but tiring a little bit. We saw many things like butterflies, moths, caterpillars, and so many more. We saw blue pansy and common mormon, and common crow, and many more. I enjoyed the walk and I would love to come again for a butterfly walk. Thank you.
सफारी के लिए ये
Thank you.